Hello again, OpenMW version 0.26 is now available for download. Let's have a look at some of the progress that's been made since the last release. First of all, OpenMW's launcher now has the ability to install Morrowind's data from a retail CD. This is a nice convenience for Mac and Linux users who might otherwise have had to use more complicated methods to retrieve the relevant data from their disks. This feature is not currently included for Windows users, since they can just install Morrowind normally. The player may now switch between the first and third-person cameras by zooming in and out with the mouse wheel, like some might be accustomed to doing in Skyrim or many other games. OpenMW now remembers different positions for the player's inventory window depending on the context in which it is being used. This means different positions for normal inventory viewing, bartering, and accessing containers. The player can now close item count windows, as seen during bartering or when looting containers, by pressing their Activate button, which should be faster than the options previously given. AI packages are now initialized by the engine. This means that NPCs now dutifully execute any AI behavior that is assigned to them. Well, at least any AI that has been implemented so far. Most of it has. An easy way to see this is by looking at outdoor NPCs in towns that have the package AI Wander assigned to them. They now wander aimlessly around town, all on their own. And hey, we even fixed that bug where NPCs' torches and whatnot were invisible. Don't worry, NPCs will eventually know to save their torches and lanterns for nighttime use only, but that's another feature for another day. Also, I made something of a promise to this channel in the last video, and I intend to deliver.
Melee combat is now implemented! The player may inflict death upon all living things on this blight-ridden island using their physical implement of choice. Axes, swords, warhammers, spears, spears, spears! Drowning works now too, so the player can even kill itself if it's not careful. NPCs can obviously die this way too. Lycanthropy is implemented now as well, so the player can transform into a beastly werewolf capable of shredding all kinds of fleshy bodies to bits with those menacing claws.
Okay, that's about all we can show you this time around. Stay tuned for future updates and we'll report more progress as soon as we can. Leave your questions and comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.